Our planet, Earth, a cradle of life, a tapestry woven with the threads of countless species over billions of years. But what if we weren't the first intelligent beings to call this planet home? What if, long before the rise of humanity, another civilization walked the Earth, leaving behind only the faintest whispers of their existence? This intriguing question sits at the heart of the Silurian Hypothesis. It challenges our understanding of the past and asks us to consider the possibility of a pre-human history, lost to the depths of time. The very idea seems like something out of science fiction. A technologically advanced civilization, rising and falling long before our own, their cities, technologies, and achievements now buried beneath layers of rock and the dust of eons. But what if it's not fiction? What if there are subtle clues hidden in the geological record, whispering tales of a forgotten past? The Silurian Hypothesis, named after an intelligent reptilian species from the science fiction series Doctor Who, proposes exactly this. It suggests that an advanced industrial civilization could have existed on Earth millions, even billions of years before the emergence of humankind. Our journey begins with a closer look at the Silurian Hypothesis itself, exploring its origins and the rationale behind its intriguing proposition. The Silurian Hypothesis, proposed by scientists Gavin Schmidt and Adam Frank, doesn't assert the existence of pre-human civilizations as a certainty. Instead, it offers a thought-provoking framework for investigating this possibility. It challenges us to look at the Earth's geological and fossil records with fresh eyes. Their hypothesis hinges on the vastness of geological time. Modern humans have only been around for a few 100,000 years. If an earlier civilization had existed, how would we know? Plate tectonics, erosion, and natural disasters would have erased most traces. Schmidt and Frank argue that some remnants might still linger. These remnants are what we should be looking for. The Silurian Hypothesis, while captivating, faces a significant hurdle: the lack of definitive proof. Finding evidence of a civilization millions or billions of years old is akin to finding a needle in a haystack the size of a planet. The passage of time, with its geological upheavals and the relentless cycle of erosion and deposition, would have likely obliterated most, if not all, surface traces of a long-lost civilization. Traditional archaeological methods, which rely on excavating relatively recent settlements and artifacts, prove largely inadequate in this context. The sheer timescale we're dealing with requires a different approach, one that focuses on more resilient markers. These could include anomalies in the geological strata, unusual chemical signatures indicative of industrial processes, or even the detection of technofossils, enduring remnants of advanced technologies. By carefully examining these layers for unusual patterns, such as unexpected spikes in certain elements or isotopes, scientists might uncover clues pointing to past industrial activity. Analyzing these fossils for unusual characteristics, such as unexpected mutations or the presence of synthetic compounds, might provide indirect evidence of past technological influence. While definitive proof of pre-human civilizations remains elusive, there are tantalizing anomalies within the archaeological record that spark debate and fuel speculation. One such anomaly is the enigmatic footprint discovered embedded in a sandstone formation near Tulsa, Oklahoma. This imprint, estimated to be around 300 million years old, bears an uncanny resemblance to a human footprint, complete with the outline of toes and a distinct arch. Skeptics argue that the Tulsa footprint is a product of natural geological processes, a case of pareidolia where our minds perceive familiar patterns in random formations. However, proponents of the ancient civilization theory offer a different perspective. The Tulsa footprint serves as a potent symbol of the challenges and controversies inherent in the search for evidence of pre-human civilizations. In the heart of the African nation of Gabon lies a scientific enigma that has puzzled researchers since its discovery in 1972, the Oklo Natural Nuclear Reactor. This site, dating back nearly 2 billion years, is believed to have once hosted a series of naturally occurring nuclear fission reactions. The discovery of Oklo initially sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Nuclear fission, the process of splitting atoms to release enormous amounts of energy, was thought to be a phenomenon achievable only through advanced technology. Yet here was evidence of a natural nuclear reactor, operating billions of years before humans even existed. While the prevailing scientific view leans towards a natural explanation for Oklo, the possibility of an ancient technological origin however remote, continues to intrigue those who seek evidence of civilizations lost to the depths of time. Throughout history, archaeologists have unearthed artifacts that defy conventional explanations, appearing in strata far older than their supposed age. These enigmatic objects, often referred to as out-of-place artifacts or OOPArts, challenge established historical timelines. One such OOPArt is the London hammer, discovered in Texas in the 1930s. The hammer, encased in limestone, exhibits craftsmanship that seems anachronistic for its age. Another intriguing OOPArt is the Antikythera mechanism, a complex astronomical calculator found off the Greek island of Antikythera. These OOPArts serve as reminders of the gaps in our understanding of the past. One of the most significant challenges in proving or disproving the Silurian hypothesis lies in the very nature of geological time. We're talking about vast stretches of time, measured in millions and billions of years, a concept that's difficult for the human mind to truly grasp. This immense timescale, while awe-inspiring, also presents a formidable obstacle in our quest to uncover evidence of pre-human civilizations. Consider the relentless power of geological processes. Over millions of years, continents drift, mountain ranges rise and erode, and the surface of our planet undergoes constant transformation. What might have been a bustling city millions of years ago could now be buried under kilometers of rock, lost to the depths of the ocean, or scattered as dust by the winds of time. The further back in time we go, the scarcer and more fragmented the evidence becomes. The sheer age of potential artifacts, coupled with the destructive forces of nature, makes finding intact remnants of past civilizations highly improbable. The Silurian hypothesis, even without definitive proof, compels us to confront profound questions about our place in the universe. It challenges the anthropocentric view of history, prompting us to consider that we might not be the first, nor necessarily the most advanced civilization to inhabit this planet. This shift in perspective has far-reaching implications, impacting our understanding of history, technology, and even our future as a species. Imagine for a moment that we discover irrefutable evidence of a pre-human civilization. How would this discovery reshape our understanding of history? Would we view ourselves as pioneers, as the pinnacle of evolution, or as latecomers to a planet that has already witnessed the rise and fall of intelligent life? The very foundations of our historical narratives would need to be rewritten, incorporating the legacy of those who came before. Suppose we uncover remnants of advanced technology from a long-lost civilization. Could these discoveries unlock secrets that could propel our own technological progress? Imagine the possibilities if we were to unearth blueprints for clean energy sources, advanced materials, or even interstellar travel. Perhaps the most profound impact of the Silurian hypothesis lies in its potential to redefine our place in the universe. Despite the lack of conclusive evidence, the search for signs of pre-human civilizations continues. Scientists from various disciplines, driven by curiosity and the thrill of discovery, are developing innovative methods and technologies to probe the Earth's distant past. From analyzing isotopic ratios in ancient rocks to searching for subtle anomalies in satellite imagery, the quest to unravel the mysteries of our planet's deep history is an ongoing endeavor. One promising avenue of research involves the development of advanced imaging techniques that allow scientists to peer beneath the Earth's surface without the need for invasive excavations. These techniques, such as ground-penetrating radar and seismic imaging, can reveal hidden structures and anomalies that might hold clues to past civilizations. Another area of focus lies in the analysis of ice cores extracted from polar regions. By analyzing the composition of these trapped air bubbles, scientists can look for unusual spikes in certain elements or isotopes that might indicate past industrial activity. The Silurian hypothesis, regardless of whether it's ultimately proven or disproven, serves as a powerful reminder of the vastness of time and the humbling possibility that we are not the only intelligent species to have graced this planet. It compels us to look beyond the confines of our own history and consider the possibility of civilizations lost and civilizations yet to come. The search for evidence of pre-human civilizations is ultimately a search for ourselves, a quest to understand our origins, our potential, and our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. As we continue to explore the Earth and beyond, we must carry with us a sense of wonder, a willingness to question, and an unwavering belief in the power of discovery. For in the words of Carl Sagan, somewhere something incredible is waiting to be known.